Yo, welcome to or back to my channel and welcome to this week's vlog. This week's vlog is kind of sad, but it's like also exciting, but it's kind of sad. So today is Thursday, July 30th. I fly to New Orleans on Tuesday, August 4th, and I move into my dorm room Wednesday, August 5th. Oh my, oh my. But I thought I would take you along for my final week in my life of summer 2020. First, let me show you my outfit. I hate myself. Okay, can we see? Sometimes I question myself what I'm doing with my life. Can you see my outfit? It's a dress from Aeropostale. I'm carrying my... Can you spell extra? My Calvin Klein yellow purse. Like, come on, when else am I gonna be able to carry a yellow purse? Yesterday, Trader Joe's had a long line, so I hope, like, I'll get in within, like, 30 minutes of getting there, at least. Like, that's really the only place I have to go. I'm at McDonald's. Trader Joe's had a ridiculously long line. I'm gonna try to go tonight, but I'm getting a slushie right now. Blue raspberry. Let me show you what I got from Trader Joe's. Got soft pretzels, chicken fried rice, that baka bread, this vegan basil pesto, and the mandarin orange chicken. Happy Friday. Tomorrow is August, and I'm going back to school in like 4 days. We have a lot of stuff to do because I did not accomplish that much yesterday. I have 4 papers to write today. I have to pack, I have to clean my room. This is the plan today. So I have position paper 3, intelligence extra credit, the pandemic assignment, as well as the intelligent final. And I put my times here because that should take me an hour each, or I'm probably just gonna work on each for an hour. The only thing I have to do for this, I made a note for position paper 3, is finish the recommended course of action, edit paper and correct the sources, and I started that yesterday. Look how messy this is. Okay, let me explain. This stuff is like supposed to be going to school. So is that, and then this area is just like a mess. We are cleaning it, and then don't even look at my garbage. Those are just paper towels from when I wash my hands in my bathroom. I don't know why I don't throw them away in my bathroom, but obviously, like, I need to take the garbage out. Okay, but let me do this now. This is always the most satisfying process. Actually, I don't like it double space. I'm doing 1.5. Yeah, that looks better. So that's done for today. Made a mess, but have you guys had this from Trader Joe's? It is so good. And for my dairy-free friends, look at it, dairy-free. It's a good dessert. I mean, I'm eating it for breakfast because I think it's like a breakfast pastry. Over here, I have some pictures that I want hung up on my dorm room. So basically what I did, I ordered pictures from Amazon, like more recent pictures. I do have a couple of old pictures that I still want on my wall, but you know, things change. Like, you're still not friends with people, you lose contact. So I wanted to update the photos in my room and add, you know, my current friends and like the current experiences that I've had. Like, these are all new photos. I glued them with my hot glue gun, and then I cut them using this paper cutter, and I have a couple more, and I want to finish this like right now. So I just cut out all of my pictures, and there's quite a few. But then I was like, ooh, because like, look at all these scraps. I'm like, I could easily just make like a border, but that is going to take forever. I'm not going to commit to that. I just realized the way I wrap my pictures looks like I'm trying to smuggle in drugs or something. Oh my goodness. Well, TSA should have fun going through this. I mean, I'm not trying to hide it. I mean, they're just pictures. I just want them to be safe, but it does look a little suspicious, I would say. So it's about 10:30 now. I think I'm going to spend like 30 minutes to an hour doing my pandemic paper for my Homeland Security class, health and medical issues. And then after that, I'm going to clean up my room a little bit and then cook some lunch. I'm going to be trying the Trader Joe's Mandarin Orange Chicken. I'm really excited about that because I've heard great reviews about that, and I think Trader Joe's is one of my new favorite stores, so I think I will be shopping there in college. Here it is. Oh, it looks so good. I'm super excited. Okay. Whoa, okay. Wow, that almost was meant. Oh, there's a lot of chicken in here. I did not realize how much food this came with. Do you like that thing? I put that up there like 3 years ago during Christmas time, and I've never taken it down. I mean, it's just hard to get up there, but it's cute. I'm gonna pour the sauce into the microwave safe bowl. Oh, it's a little chilly. It smells good. I'm so excited. Ready for an outfit of the day? I am. Another long maxi high-low dress. Super cute, super comfy, super easy. I don't know why people just don't wear dresses. Like, you literally throw it on. Okay, let's do another Trader Joe's haul. I got this cookie butter, which so many people have told me to try this, so I'm super excited to try it. I don't really know what I'm supposed to try it with, so please let me know. I got these dark chocolate peanut butter cups. I got the chicken pot stickers. Super excited. I love dumplings, love pot stickers. Super excited to try this mango flavored black tea. Oh, there's 20 bags in here. And then finally, I got everything but the bagel seasoning. So happy Saturday, happy August 1st. Definitely still need to run errands because I have not done them. I have to go to bed, Bath & Beyond, because I need to get a shower curtain. Monday is also my last day in Ohio until apparently November. But I think it's gonna be more like September because, you know, pandemic is still going on. Yet colleges think it's appropriate to have us back on campus, and college was already a petri dish to begin with. My outfit is orange pants from Rue 21, and this is a black crop top. It's also from Rue. So vegan kale and cashew pesto. Oh, look at my nails. They're like these nail arts that I've been doing. It's like a sticker kind of. But it looks very green. Let's taste. Oh, that's rain dripping off the back of the backup camera. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, I don't know how to use the windshield wipers. Oh, okay, there they are. Here we go. Are you ready to see what I got? I got one thing. I'm doing much better when I'm shopping because when I say I'm going to get one thing, I actually go to get one thing now. Like, look at me. I'm becoming an adult. But I got this. It is a 4-piece bath set. If you don't know, I'm living in a single private bath, and I was informed that you had to bring your own shower curtain. So this one comes with a shower curtain, a rug, the hooks, and a basket. So this will be super convenient for my bathroom. I like the design, actually. I mean, I didn't really care what my shower curtain looked like because, I mean, no one's really going to be seeing it. Oh, I guess I'm supposed to go. They were just, well, I didn't know they wanted that parking spot. Oh my goodness, they look so good. Today for lunch, we're doing these chicken pot stickers from Trader Joe's. They look so good. Y'all, look at that crisp. I'm so proud of myself. I'm currently cooking pot stickers on the stove right now, but that's not what I'm having for lunch. I'm gonna show you what I'm having for lunch, or like snack, because I'm not super duper hungry. I'm having one of those Trader Joe's soft pretzels. If you don't know, I am obsessed with pretzels. Oh my goodness. Oops, she's a little toasty. I went to Walmart today, and I'm gonna show you what I got, because I got some school supplies. So first I got black, blue, and red pens. They were 97 cents. Like, they're okay. Like, they're not my favorite, but they're good to have. I got one thing of whiteout because I write in pens, so whiteout is important. Then I bought 2 things of highlighters. They were $1. These are just like the Walmart brand, I guess. But I noticed they don't have a purple highlighter, which is fine. These match the classes I'm taking, like the color of the classes I'm taking, so that's fine. I also got these zebra pens, and then I got command hooks and some command strips. That's what I got. I'll be packing those in my bags today. Now, will this suitcase close? That is the question. I'm sure I can get this to close. And I also have that like expandable thing where you can like unzip it and it expands. It might be too heavy, but I did just stick this heated blanket on top. Like, I really hope I don't need it, but since there are no breaks till November, it's going to be cold by November in New Orleans, so I guess I do need it. We just did my friend's surprise party, and I'm waiting in the car. But like, I don't know if we're leaving. Are we leaving? I'm like leaving if the car in front of me leaves. The car in front of me is still here because I'm like in the middle of the parade. So are they like honking? I don't know. It's like pouring down rain and the signs got all wet. But it's fine. It was good to see my friend. I haven't seen like any of my friends this whole summer, and I go to school tomorrow. Lovely. Love that for me. We have arrived at our destination. Got my mask because my other one is wet because I washed it, and my wallet, so let's go. They open at 9. It's 8:59. It's a gift card, a Visa gift card. It's not for me. Hall's cough relief because, you know, college, gross. You get the plague every year. Like, there's just like no way of avoiding it. And ramen. Okay, let's go home.